Today our algo didn't make any profits. Normally today we are running with FinNifty. In the beginning, first trade algo taken 2000 rupees profit. After that we are keep on making losses. 4000, 3000, 37, minus 200, minus 500, minus 500. So it's continuously losses only. Minus 35, minus 16. Looks like today algo didn't capture any profitable trades. So by end of the day, we can see algo is around 1600 rupees loss, and one more trade is still ongoing. We'll see what will be the result, but today movement is very low. Yes, Nifty has moved from 23,400 to 23,600, but it is going very slowly because of that algo didn't capture. Our final profit loss will be today 1600, and one more trade is running. We'll wait and see what happens. Looks like this will also end in loss only. Since our algo is a scalper, only big movements will be captured. If movement becomes slow,